The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All right, fellas. Very good morning. Guys, sorry about that. GoToWebinar would not let me in, would not connect. I had to call them. I apologize for being 10 minutes late. Guys, good morning. Anybody else have a hard time getting into into the room? Chris, good morning. Okay, guys, I was on my end, I guess. All right, fellas. Very good morning. Today is Wednesday. We are February 26th. Good morning, Todd. Volatility has been high again this morning. Good morning, Yuri. NASDAQ is currently at 115 ticks, 115. I've seen it as high as 211 this morning already. Let me get rid of Skype. Hang on one second, guys. Yeah, it's an issue. Yeah, it looks that way, Stephen. Good morning, Jacques. Good morning. Guys, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. Not only do I rarely miss a day, I'm rarely late. I apologize for the inconvenience, but GoTo would not let me in. Hey, Chris, good morning. All right, fellas, we're coming into some more selling. 1,900 net sellers right now in the NASDAQ. We do have small buyers right now in gold. Looking at crude, 7,000 sellers again in crude. Looks like we've been below 49 bucks. I'm guessing that's our low, 48.99. But we have more sellers in crude. I'm surprised there's not more buyers in gold at the moment. We have 7,800 sellers in the ES currently. Dollar index is bid, hit 99,120 just a minute ago. And here we come again. Guys, if we catch on the NASDAQ, if we catch 88.10 and break that level, our target becomes 8680. If we crash 88.10. Oh, Rick, this has all to do with the virus and the disruption of business, and maybe to a lesser extent the fact that Bernie Sanders is leading in the Democratic nomination. Don't know, don't care. The markets needed a reason to come down, and I guess we got it. Just looking at crude. Man, let me take a look at some charts, guys, real quick. Tell you what, let me do this. Let me get my news up. I know we have crude inventories today. Let's see what else we might have. Nothing. January home sales at 10 o'clock. We have no news. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. And we'll go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go there, fellas. If you want a runner, that break even +1 is not going to do it for you, fellas. I guarantee it. It's too small. It's way too small. Unless this breaks down quickly below this 34. See what I'm saying? Out. It's way too small. This break even is useless button. I mean on the small time frames. I said this when you guys wanted to break even at first target. I told you guys you will miss more trades and give away more money than you will save. So that's a live trade, guys. We're getting a little bounce up because the indices are pulling back here. 110 million to buy. So they flipped it. It's not enough to get excited about. Crude hit all targets. Again, I don't have crude on until 9 a.m. But crude took this long all the way back here at 49.28, and it's still going. You'd have been pulled out on the trail at 40, but still going on crude. We're getting a bounce here, guys. I don't think it lasts, but who knows? "30 seconds, guys, 30 seconds. On the ES. Didn't get to first target. 1 tick shy, 2 ticks shy.
Target filled.
First target filled. This is a live ES trade on the bot. Okay, live trade on the ES. On our Unirenko. Come on. I won't give it more than break even, guys.
Stop fill.
Out. Okay. Out at break even. See what I'm saying about this break even button? It's too small on these small Unirenkos, 377 ticks. I mean, it's a novel idea, and it was Floyd's idea. And I told Floyd and a few of the guys that raised it, it's just going to take you out on every runner and give you, no chance of a runner. My opinion, trade them as you see fit. Each of you guys are different, but here we go. Let's see here, guys. Small buyers in here on the NASDAQ. I think if the 15, never mind, it went long too fast. I'll say the 15 range, guys, is tearing it up again today. It's already tearing it up. It's already in longs. Both targets hit on that 15 range. See, and there goes the ES. Damn it. If anybody grabbed that 15 range, it already did its thing. Chris, what time is it, man? You asked the same question twice. What time is it? Of course. Again, guys, each of you are an individual, right? There is no carved in stone. You must turn them on at 9:30. You must turn them on at 9:33. You must turn them on at 8:16 and 24 seconds. Nice job, Floyd. Floyd's up 12-10 on the 15 range, 3 cars in 3 minutes. Yeah, got the down and then the up move. You guys are all individuals. All I can do is give you, what I'm doing or what I think is pertinent. Each of you guys has to make your own decisions. Remember, we're not here and using the bot to get identical results. That's not going to happen. Some of you guys will trade early. Some of you guys will trade late after me. Some of you guys will trade one contract. Some of you guys will trade more. All right, 15 range just filled.
Target filled.
I can't move my chart, guys. I cannot move my damn chart.
Target filled.
Damn it. I cannot move. There it is. That's a live trade, fellas. Both targets hit on the 15 range. First two contracts off, and I have this runner.
Target filled.
It hit it.
Target filled.
Got them all. All right, guys. So I've taken 3 trades, fellas. I've taken 3 bot trades. Okay? All 3 winners. I'm up 662.50. My daily, why is that on? No. My daily goal, my daily goal is between 500 and 700 a day. I'm close enough for hand grenades, okay? I'm done trading live, fellas. That's it. I'm done. I'm up 662. I'm done. Okay? Hang on, fellas. Yes, Unorenko. Now I'll run him in sim for the rest of the day. I've made my money, guys. Anybody have any questions? No, I know, but I mean, we talk about it every single day, Chris. It's not like, it's something new. Generally, I turn my gold on about 8:30. Generally, it doesn't mean, there aren't exceptions to the rule, but generally my gold is on at 8:30. Generally, crude is on at 9 o'clock. Generally, the indices are on about 9:30. Now, there are times, and you guys should be able to look at your charts. There are times when you guys should be able to look at it and say, okay, well, I can turn it on at 9:30 or 9:20, $2,015 in 6 minutes and quitting. Amen. When you guys should be able to look at that and say, well, we're well into long, so if I can turn it on now, it saves me the trouble. Well, you're in the room every day. Listen, I don't want to get into a debate. I'm not trying to make this a debate, but you're in the room every day, and I do the same thing every day. I rarely deviate. I eat at the same restaurants. I eat the same foods. I'm kind of a creature of habit. Some might say I'm anal. My wife, for instance. What happened, Ron? Tell me what happened. I can't tell you unless I see it. What is the tick range right now, fellas? If you try to trade this NASDAQ, tick range is 333 ticks, guys. You can't trade this. Yeah, I mean, Ron, I hear you, and without seeing it, I don't know how you've got it set. I don't know what you did or did not do. Without seeing it. Yeah, tick range is so high, charts are frozen, guys. I mean, this is not a tradable range for us. We're down to 241. Guys, I trade it live every single day. I trade it live in full view every single day. Okay? Every day. I show you my live trades. They're recorded. I mean, I got a guy that, joined a couple weeks ago. He says he's using the bot and taking some of my order flow calls, 2 weeks, sim testing only. He's well over 2,500. I would have to see it, Ron. So if you want to get together today after the close, I will get together with you. You free after the close? Both targets hit on that. Russell, are you free today after the close? If your Ninja Trader is 30 seconds behind the actual computer clock, you cannot trade. Absolutely not. You have delayed quotes. How are you going to trade? Yeah, do you have Windows 10? Charlie? You go down to your clock, click on that, right click, and there's a place in here that says sync time. Adjust date time, and then sync it. You're not trading Ninja 7, are you? If you're trading Ninja 7, and I don't know that you are, you guys, 8, okay. Ninja 7 is absolutely going to lock up in this volatility and volume. Guys, we're at 295 ticks. Gold, crude, the NASDAQ is psychotic. Russell filled. Is anybody unclear on what I'm trying to explain? Anybody?
Target filled.
There's Target. The ES is not going to have the same problem. Gold and crude will not have the same problem. Here's gold on the 500 tick.
Order filled.
Nice job, Paul.
Target filled.
Fifth day in a row of being green in sim since he and I had a one-on-one. Guys, if anybody wants a one-on-one, I will gladly do a one-on-one with you. That's that break even. God dang it. Shouldn't be on that. Anybody wants a one-on-one, I will gladly do one-on-ones and get you guys squared.
Target filled.
First target off on the Russell. Is there anybody that would like? Guys, I'm free today. I'm free tomorrow. I'm free Friday. Is there anybody that would like a one-on-one? Just email me. 15 range went short. Hit first target. Must have gotten second target too. It did. So again, here's what happened. It took my first two on my ATM, not the bot setting. It's too fast.
Order filled.
Yeah, look at a DOM. It's insanity. See how they haven't set yet? See how it's taken my normal ATM? That's my normal ATM setting. It can't set. It's too fast. There it goes. Now it's set. You realize the market orders that are going on right now, guys? Rick's reached his daily goal. He shut the bots off. Amen.
Order filled.
See it? See my ATM? That's my normal ATM. $10, $15, and $30. There, it's set now. I can't even adjust the chart. Jesus, come on.
Stop.
Yes, I can, Chris. Let me find my sheet. Let me find my damn sheet.
Order filled.
Chris, I got a sheet here somewhere. Hang on. Bear with me, buddy.
Target filled.
This is going to keep taking. Damn it. If you can believe it, I cannot find it. Hang on. Chris, can you email me? Russell's tradable. It's not that bad. ES is not that bad. It's just the NASDAQ is out of control. Gold is killing it again. Crude has not come out of that long. You guys can try a short if it pulls back to 73. But it hit. And this is my 111. Oh, I don't even have the auto trail on.
Target filled.
There it goes. Guys, we're fighting a trend line at that 70. Let's see here. Maybe up around 81. Anybody take the 73 short? If anybody takes a dang trade, you got to let me know, guys. Is anybody short at that 73?
Order filled.
Is there any? See, again, it's still so volatile. There it goes. It hasn't adjusted targets yet.
Target filled.
Nobody took the 73 short? Okay.
Stop filled.
Watch. It's going to fill along.
Order filled.
See? The Unorenco set. Oh, okay, you took 73. Okay, you should have profits. Support's down at 54. If nobody tells me they're in the trade, guys, I'm not watching it then.
Order filled.
Now we're getting chopped up.
Stop fill.
You're getting chopped up now, guys. Gold and crude are tradable. Russell is tradable. ES is tradable. NASDAQ is lost its marbles.
Target filled.
It's crazy. Crazy volatile. We're down to 112 ticks, so it's settling down.
Target filled.
Okay. Unirenco's gone green. And I mean, most days it's dead. New home sales data. This one, I don't think it'll affect us at all. Dollar index is strongly bid. They're buying the dollar. They're buying gold, bonds. Yeah, crude inventory is at 1030. I'm just waiting on the news here. It won't really affect us, but 20 suspected cases of coronavirus in Brazil.
Order filled.
January new home dated. A few seconds here, guys. I don't think they've released that couple back to here. I think they're still quarantined wherever they're at. To beat January new home sales 764 versus 718.
Order filled.
Unirenco's long, guys. It's building a bull flag on a 3-minute.
Stop filled.
It's trading right into that trend line, but it is building a flag. Support should be around 40, 89.40. Watch for a bounce about 40. We hit 41.25. There's 40. There's our bounce. Come on, bounce. There it is. We may only get up to 45, but I mean, we're green on the 5, 10, 15 minutes on the NASDAQ. We're into support in here. Crude looks like it's another short on the 15 range. Hang on, guys. Come on. Gold hit first target, no fill. Hit it to the tick and did not fill it. Hit it again to the tick and didn't fill it. Anybody get fit? There it is. Got it now. Got it now. So my trail's on. This is the last trade on gold for me, guys. Last trade. The 500 tick did almost nothing.
Stop filled.
Out. 500 tick did almost nothing. Up 150. I've shut that off. I'm going to close this out.
Order filled.
There's my 377 totals. 950. Up 950. Up 950.
Order canceled.
I'll go through them at the end of the session again, just like we've been doing. I'll show you every single trade on everything we trade. I mean, it's been the 500 tick that's really been the most profitable. Joe did the testing on it. I mean, the 500 tick did 1,800 on Friday. It did 1,500, I think yesterday it was. I don't remember. Might have been the day before. I think it was yesterday. But the 377 that's the one I generally trade live. I don't trade the 500 tick. I've told you guys the charts that I'll trade live. I mean, I have a million charts. I don't trade them all live. Here comes another breakout. We're going to 48, fellas. I mean, it's ridiculous. There you go. This is just breaking out. I mean, this is pretty impressive showing after the last 2 days.
Order filled.
So what is that? So then out of the box. All right, so Joe has on his today, your 500 tick, Joe? Today? Mine only took a few trades unless let me go. I just shut it off. Joe's up 1240 on the 500 tick. Randy and Sue made 480 on the 377 tick and shut it off. And I know they're you're trading live, right, Randy or Sue? Yes. So here are my would-be trades. So I don't turn it on till 8:30. I don't get that trade. First one was at 9:45. I don't get that trade. I don't get that trade. That's the trade you took. right? So I get this, which is a winning trade. Oh, you must have trailed. Did you trail or no? I mean, even on two, okay, he trailed. On two contracts, you've got 12, 42 ticks. I don't know why I don't get that short. I don't get that long. I have no other trade. I don't know how I could only be up 160. That's odd. I should be up more than 160. Be that as it may, that's what it shows. That's what I'm going to record.
Order filled.
That's what I'll record. $15 range is holding some support right here. See it? There it goes. Come on. If this thing breaks down below 14.25, it should come. Nope, not mine, Jimmy.
Target filled.
Not mine. I don't have it on, but it wouldn't take the short. The 377 is short, if that's what you meant. I turned it off, but the 377 is short. Your 377 is short. 377, boom, first target hit. First target hit. Oh, that's why. You got the wrong settings. Another target hit. I didn't take the trade, but another target hit. Almost a second target at 21 ticks. The safety today was away from the NASDAQ, fellas. It's just insane. It's down to 88 ticks, which is reasonable. It's still volatile, but it's reasonable. Crude shorted on the bot. Crude's holding a trend line at 08. If 08 breaks, crude's going to come down. It's got to break 08. See, it's holding it. Crude could come down to 93. See it coming down to 90. If it breaks 90, it can get hit. All right, Greg, see it. Gold's turning back up. Markets have gone negative delta. Russell took a short. This will be the last trade on the Russell. Okay, Rick. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. ES is going to short as well on the Unorenco. Here, whatever we're getting, it's coming at 11 o'clock in 48 seconds. Gold is wanting to go long. What's crude holding here? 03.
Order filled.
ES shorted on the bot. First time all day we've been slow.
Target filled. Target filled.
First target off on the ES on the bot. First target off on the Russell on the bot.
Target filled. Target filled.
First target off on crude on the bot. Both targets off on the Russell on the bot. I will be shutting Russell off. It's done. Up 915. If ES hits whatever ES does here, it's the last trade of the day. It's done. Not quite the second target. Crude is at break even +1. ES hit second target to the tick and didn't come out. Didn't take it off. ES is sitting on some support here. We've gone back negative delta pretty strongly, guys. Just like yesterday. They buy them up and then they sell them. They sell them and they buy them back. I mean, it's really nuts. I don't know, Don. I'm not looking at order flow on the ES. No clue. The only way I trade the ES is off the bot. I don't generally trade it. Okay, Charlie. Good job. If it gets the second target, it'll be a nice trade. We're sitting. All right, Ryan, you too.
Order filled.
Building another 3-minute bull flag. NASDAQ's got to get up through 12 and it's going to blow again. Back up through 12.
Order canceled.
Back up through 12. Gold starting to bid. Got a bid in gold. If you guys want to try a NASDAQ short, you can short NASDAQ right here at 96, 97 with a stop at 06. There it goes. You have a target down at 85, but trail it. Your stop is down to 02. Just not going far. Came to 92, 4 or 5 points. Not much. NASDAQ comes down through 89.50. It's going to come down. It could come all the way down to 64. 89.50. It could come down to 64. That's what's got to break. 89.50. Back over 1,000 net delta. Wasn't long ago we were at 1,800 positive. 89. 80. There's both targets. ES was up 800 on the bot today. Actually more because I took the first trade live. Was up over 1,000. I'm done, fellas, with the ES. Anybody in that NASDAQ trade? Anybody take that NASDAQ trade? You got to tell me, and I will give you guys stops. Anybody take it? Okay. Bring your stop down to 98.50. Come on, don't you do it. Better stop might be 01, but come on, break that 88.50. Come on down to 64. So you want to probably take first target maybe at 89. First target at 89. Look at this joker. Hit 89 quarter. There it is. There's your first target. I know it's small, 6, 7 handles, but take some risk off. Now your stop, I'm talking to my brother who's in the trade. Now your stop is 97 and your final target is 89.65, 8965. 8965. I don't know that we can get there, but it is a target. Stop can drop down to 97. That's the best stop I have right now. I need a break below 86 and I can drop the stop again. I do not think this is going anywhere, but good Lord, we're slow. I don't think it's going anywhere but down. All right, you can drop your stop now to 96. 96 stop. Come on, break right here. It's got to drop below 86. Got the sellers. Final target I have is 89.64, fellas, if anybody else is in it. Look at this piece of work, NASDAQ. Come on, dude. Break 86. All right, so the bot on crude has hit second target and then some. I just moved out of the way. If crude breaks below 89, it could get hit. Below 89. 69.70 is VWAP. So now it's just trailing. It's auto trail. All right, there's 84. You can drop stop down to 94. Stop to 94. Stop to 94. You can drop stop to 92. 92. There we go. Never mind. Stop is now 89. Just put your final target at 89.64. 65 make it. 65. So you're just trailing your stop. You can bring your stop to 87. You got 10 handles locked in, fellas. Bring your stop to 84. It's got to break here again. A little bit of support in here. That's better. Stop is still 83. Stop is 83. Got to break down below 74 and it should be done to 64. There we go. We're good. You can bring stop down to 80. 80. You should have 15 to 17 handles locked in. Stop to 80. Come on, fall. Stop is at 80, guys. You gotta, it may take you out at 80. Yep, you're out at 80. Not bad. 15 to 17 handles. Not a bad trade. Still think it's coming to 64, but I don't want to use a bigger stop. You guys good? $14 is going to be the problem for the NASDAQ. 14. If it gets through 14.15, come on, one more candle and we're good. Come on. Look at this, one tick shy. 2 ticks.
Target filled.
There it is. All right, guys, now it's just going to auto trail. Gold is going to sell again in the 377. Mine are off, fellas. Mine are off.